the new shop that much more. So, Lidar, thank you for the 19-month resubscription as well, buddy. I do appreciate that. You've been super generous to the stream recently. So, let's do a little giveaway here for a magnet. If y'all haven't seen the magnets that we have available, they are on our website as well. But for today, we will give one of these away. You know, not the Nympho Boyd ones. Nobody wants that one, right? But we'll show the Boyd's Custom Fab one, the Team Walnut, the Yeet, the Error 404. A lot of the emotes that we got. But yeah, these will ship anywhere internationally, even for free. So, oh, what the heck is this? Okay, authorize. Let me try to open up my giveaway software real quick, and we'll do a quick giveaway before continuing on with our box. So, if you want to come in here and type exclamation mark giveaway, or exclamation mark hype train. I mean, sorry, exclamation mark hype train is the code to get in. Again, you will have your choice of any of these magnets, and we will be able to ship that to you as long as you provide your address. And yeah, send you one of our magnets. Lidar best dart. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try to replace the earbuds on my new headphones here. Exclamation mark hype train. Oh, is it not working? Oh, it's not connected. Boyd, you need to reconnect chat. Okay, now. Sorry. Now it looks like it's working. Thank you, Momo. Anyone else notice how there are two magnets Boyd doesn't like? Yeah, and then the rest? Well, those are the rude magnets. Big rude magnet. Is it working now? Okay, Lidar is in. I think it's working now. All right, there we go. Thanks, guys. Sorry. Make sure you get in. If you typed it before, Charmed Kitty Cat got in, Miss May, Momo, Random Tinker, Bad Monkey. Okay, I think all of you guys have retyped it, so I'll keep it open for another couple minutes. Another minute, maybe. Exclamation mark hype train. Get in. Chance to win a magnet. And lasered, hand lasered by Walnut. Okay, not hand lasered, but hand painted by Walnut at least. I got some new ISO-tuned headphones though. They're working really